Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the design and implementation of code converters using logic gates in multisim. First BCD to XS3 code and vice versa, and next binary to gray code and vice versa. Before going to simulation, we have to know the theory of these codes. BCD codes, numeric codes represent numeric information, that is only numbers as a series of zeros and ones. Numeric codes used to represent decimal digits are called binary coded decimal codes. It is necessary to use a sequence of at least 4 binary digits. XS3 codes. It is a non-weighted code. The XS3 code for the decimal number is performed in the same manner as BCD, except that decimal number 3 is added to each decimal unit before encoding it to binary. This is the truth table for BCD to XS3 code from 0 to 15. Suppose I am giving a value of input side as 0. I got a output as 3. Suppose I am giving a input value of 4. I got a output of 7. Yes, every input is added by 3 before it encoding. After 9, here the output value is don't care functions. Actually, don't care function is invalid, but it is useful in K-map for simplification. See here the don't care functions. This is the K-map for BCD to XS3 code. E3 is D3 plus D2 into D0 plus D2 into D1. E2 is D2 into D1 bar into D0 bar plus D2 bar into D0 plus D2 bar into D1. And E1 is D0 bar into D1 bar plus D1 into D0, and E0 is D0 bar. And we can see the circuit diagram of BCD to XS3 code. This is the circuit diagram which we have to simulate in the multisim. Now moving on to the simulation. These are the components which are used for simulation: 7404 NOT gate, 7432 OR gate, 7486 XOR gate, 7408 AND gate, and DCD-X blue, DCD-X digital green, which is used for output and input. Interactive digital constant is for input, and digital and probe digital green is for the output side. Here B3, B2, B1, B0 are the inputs, and E3, E2, E1, E0 are the outputs. This is the circuit diagram which is I already connected. Now we can give the input values. Here I give the input value is 1. We got the output as 4. Suppose I am giving a value of 0. We got a output value as 3. Suppose I am giving a input value is 9. We got a output value is 9 plus 3 is 12. This is in hexadecimal form of 12. Suppose I am giving an input value is 15. 15 is F. This is in hexadecimal form. Here the output is somewhat came, but it is actually invalid because it is a don't care function. This is all about BCD to XS3 code. Next we are moving on to XS3 to BCD code. It is exactly vice versa of BCD to XS3 code. From 0 to 2, the output value is don't care function, and after 12, here also a don't care function. In XS3 to BCD code, suppose I am giving a value of 3, the output value is 0. Suppose I am giving a value of 5, I got a output value is 2. Yes, every input value is subtracted by 3, which is exactly opposite to BCD to XS3 code. This is the K-map of XS3 to BCD code, and next we are moving on to the circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram. B3 is E0 into E1 plus E2 the whole E3, and B2 is E0 bar plus E1 bar XOR E2, and B1 is E1 XOR E0, and B0 is E0 bar. Now this circuit diagram is simulated in the multisim. We can go for the simulation. XS3 to BCD. The same components which are used for BCD to XS3 code is here also used. The same components. Here E3, E2, E1, E0 are the inputs and B3, B2, B1, B0 are the outputs. I am giving the input value as 9. We got the output value as 6. Suppose I am giving an input value as 8. See 8, the output value is 5. Suppose I am giving an input value is 4. The output value is 1. See 4, 1. Suppose I am giving an input value is 6. We got a output value is 3. This is all about XS3 to BCD code. Next we are moving on to binary to gray code. The theory is a symbolic representation of data or information is called code. It has two independent symbols, that is 0 and 1. A binary digit is called as bit. And gray code, it is actually non-weighted code, therefore it is not suitable for arithmetic operation. It is a cyclic code because successive code words in this code differ only in 1 bit position only. Therefore it is a unit distance code. This is the truth table of binary to gray code. Here see the output. It has only 1 bit position difference in the input side. Next we are moving on to the K map. K map is G0 is B1 XOR B0 and G2 is B2 XOR B3. G1 is B1 XOR B2 and G3 is B3. Next, this is the circuit diagram for binary to gray code converter. This circuit diagram is simulated in the multisim. Now we are moving on to the simulation. Binary to gray code. These are the components which are used for simulation in binary to gray code 7486. It is a XOR gate. I used 3 XOR gates and DC power, DCD XOR X digital blue and DCD X digital green is for input and output, and probe green is for output side, and ground also I used. Here B3, B2, B1, B0 are the inputs and G3, G2, G1, G0 are the outputs. Now I am giving the value of in the input side. Suppose I am giving a value as 0 in the input side, I got a output as 0. Suppose I am giving a input value as 2, we got a output as 3. Suppose I am giving a input value as 7. Seven means we got a output as 4. Suppose I am giving a value as 15. We got the output as 15. It is 15. It is in the hexadecimal form, which is F. We got the output as 8. This is all about binary to gray code converter. And next we are moving on to gray to binary code converter. It is actually inverse of binary to gray code converter. See, the gray code is an input and the binary code is a output. It is exactly vice versa of binary to gray code. Now we can see the K map. This is the K map of gray to binary code. And next we are moving on to the circuit diagram. Here B1, B2, B3, B4 are the outputs. B4 is G3 XOR G2 XOR G1 XOR G0, and B3 is G3 XOR G2 XOR G1 XOR G1. B2 is G3 XOR G2 and B1 is G3. This circuit is simulated in the multisim. Now we moving on to the simulation. Grade 2 binary code converter. Here the components which I used for simulation: 7486, which is XOR gate. I used 3 XOR gates, and DCDX digital blue. DCDX digital blue, it is for input side, it is for blue is for output side and green is for input side. Interactive digital constant, this is called interactive digital constant for input side. Probe green is for output side. Now we are going to given the input values. I give the 0 as input value. We got the output value as 0. Suppose I am giving a input value is 8. The output value is F, which is 15. It is in hexadecimal form. Suppose I am giving a input value is 10. A is 10, which is in hexadecimal form. We got the output as C. C means it is 12. Suppose I am giving a input value as 1. Here the output is 1. This is all about the discussion of design and implementation of code converters using the different logic gates. Thank you.